Hi, I'm Matt. Today I'm going to show you how to create and modify your data overlay on your Lowrance HDS system. As you can see right here, we're on a full sonar chart page, and basically the editing data and modifying of the data overlay is going to be pretty much the same process on any page. Today we're going to show you how to add your current time to your sonar chart. First, when you find the page you are going to be operating on, you're going to press the Pages button once. As you can see, a preview of the page you are actually using, the full sonar chart. You will press the Menu button once, and it's going to give you options to actually go into the page or to edit the data overlay. So we're going to go down to Edit Data Overlay, and as you can see right now, first we are editing the depth. You'll see a blue outline box around the overlay type of what you go into. So right now it's on depth. See, I arrow down, we'll go down to water temp. Well, since we are adding, we're going to press the Menu button, arrow down to Add, Enter, and then we're going to arrow down to where it says Time, the type of data that we want to overlay. Enter button again, and then we're going to go down and put Enter on Time. You can see there's a black out circle. As you press Enter, it will change it to blue, and your data is overlaid onto the page. Exit to go back out, and then you're going to have a little bit of menu right here that asks you to press Menu to move the selected item if we want to move it around the page. So we're going to hit Menu, go down to Move, and press Enter. You're going to see arrows on all four sides of the data showing you to move it. So by the up, down arrows, left and right, we can move it around the page wherever we want to put it. So let's say we're going to go ahead and just put it up here at the very top in the middle, centered. You're going to find the position you want. And if you want to set it there, if you like the size, we would press Enter and it will set it on the page. Now, if the size is too small, you want it bigger, what you're going to do, the Zoom In button is going to make the size bigger. And I believe there are three different sizes. Actually, yes, there are three sizes, as you can see. The very smallest, Zoom In makes it bigger, go up to the biggest, and then Zoom Out will downsize it. So we'll keep it where it's at. That's how you create the size and adjust the size. Get it where you want, you go ahead and press Enter. As you can see, the arrows move away. And it looks like we're done here. So once you're done moving your data around and you have a spot where you like to go ahead and keep it, you're going to hit Exit, and that will remove the arrows. So you are done moving that data. To go ahead and save it, you'll go ahead and press the Exit button. Now on your HDS 8s and 10s, you're going to have your quick buttons down here on the bottom. So as you can see, it's set to press Save right down here. On the HDS 5 and 7 models, you're just going to go ahead and use your generic buttons on the right side of the keypad here, Enter or Exit. So I'm going to go ahead and press Enter, and now the data is saved for time. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add and modify overlay onto your chart page. Very similar. You're going to go ahead and press the Pages button. As you can see, it's giving you a preview of the page you're on, a full chart. So you're going to keep it the blue selected on the full chart. You'll press Menu once, and you want to go down to Edit Data Overlay. Press Enter, and as you can see at the very top, you have a blue line outlining the data, the overlay, showing us, asking us if we want to edit that. So we're going to go ahead, what we want to do is add an overlay of depth, our digital depth. So we're going to hit the Menu button once, and of course we'll go down and highlight Add. Press the Enter button, and now it's asking us which data we want to overlay. So we're going to go down to sonar data, since the depth is going to be labeled under sonar. Press the Enter button, and as you can see, depth with a black circle, we're going to highlight it and press Enter, change the black to a blue circle, and that will activate it and show our depth. So we're going to go ahead, exit out of this, press and exit once, and now if we like it there, we can go ahead and keep it and exit out. But again, if we want to move that data on the page somewhere different, a different position, as you can see, up or down arrow changes which data you want to edit. So we're going to highlight depth, press enter, and as you can see, we bring up the arrows on each side of the data. So we'll go ahead and move this one down to the bottom. Once we get it there, once we like it, if we want it to go smaller, we're going to press the zoom out button. As you can see, the data changes to a smaller size. Zoom in back to where we were, or zoom in again to make it bigger. Once we get our size correct, the size that we like, we're going to go ahead and hit exit. Once we're done, we're going to save. So we're going to hit exit. Do you want to save your changes? Again, on the 8s and 10s, you will have the quick buttons down below. By pressing a quick button will allow you to save, or the other button to discard. On your 5s and 7 models, you will have the generic buttons on the right side of the keypad. So on this one, I'm going to go ahead and activate the quick button, and our depth is saved.